got him.
You got him?
I got him. Come on, shit. Should probably get this shit in the dryer.
Right, I'll just get the basket.
No, come on. Come on. Give me your...
Put these in the dryer.
Come on, buddy. Up you get. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Alright, no down. Come on. Alright, nope. Left leg. Left. Right leg, buddy. Come on. Right. Alright, bathtub. Come on. There you go. Yes, that's that.
Want a drink?
Sure, what do you got?
I have coolers, curacao, Bacardi, peach schnapps. Keith's alright?
Yeah, thanks.
So what do you do, Scott?
Work.
You in university or?
I dropped out. I might go back for photography though.
Oh wow, I'm into photography too. I'm taking it at Nepean.
Right on. You don't mind if I call the party, do you? Let them know what's going on?
Oh, go ahead.
Hello? Hey man, where the hell are you?
Nah, I'm at this girl's house.
No kidding, nice.
You look good in this hat.
We're stuck here because of the blizzard. How's the party holding out?
Same as always, but does that mean that you don't have dibs on that Maya chick anymore?
Fuck you.
Now you're a hunter.
Yeah, alright.
Was that the party?
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey, I'm Zoe.
Hey, I'm naked.
I'll get you your clothes.
Thanks.
Okay, what the fuck is this?
You've died and gone to heaven, man.
What? Where am I?
You honestly don't remember anything from tonight?
Why am I naked?
You just had sex with that girl.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, well, you passed out on our properties, and I didn't want you to have to go back through the blizzard, but, you know, we ran a hot bath for you so that, you wouldn't get hypothermia or anything.
Oh.
Don't start getting any dirty thoughts about why you woke up naked in some girl's house.
Well, considering how drunk I think I still am, I really wasn't sure.
Well, the night is still young. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Don. I don't know why I'm here. Did you steal my pot?
Is that what that bag was?
Wait, you didn't know?
No, it was in a Batman baggie.
Let's light up then. It's 2 hours to midnight.
Shit, really?
You wanna come?
Nah, I think I'd rather stay inside.
You sure?
Yeah, I gotta make a phone call if that's alright with you guys.
Sure. Join us when you're done.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, I can't roll for shit. So what are you doing all alone on New Year's Eve?
I don't know. I guess I probably could have gotten a ride out somewhere, but I don't know. I feel kind of like my life's stuck lately. I mean, I get along with my friends, but to them I'm just Zoe, you know? I don't really think I can explain it, but if it wasn't for the blizzard coming, I probably would have walked out as far as I could get or driven to Quebec and stayed there until I chickened out and came home.
It's okay, I think I know how you feel. I really wish I could have a grand adventure, you know, rather than just getting drunk with my friends and waking up alone.
Let's go inside.
Is Scott coming back?
No, not tonight. Where are you going?
Just to get something.
Are you all right? You look a little...
I am fine.
All right.
Hey man, you should come in.
Sorry, I just had to do a status update with the party.
There's more.
I'm a little late from dragging Dawn around, actually. I think I could just crash somewhere.
Third room on the left when you get up the stairs. Do you need pajamas?
Come on, stay up.
I might be back down in a bit, but have fun, guys.
I feel kind of bad.
Hey. How long has she been gone? Alright, I'm on my way.